Assalamu alaikum scholars. Today's lecture is about how to first time use the MOS software. I have a MOS 20. This is a MOS 20, and these you can see that here are some of the buttons which you are allowed to play with them, and but some of the buttons are hidden on which you have no access to click on them. First of all, you need to click on this button and then click here, click how much your number of items, click on it, and then you need to rotate the indicator of the latent variable. Click on this button and then you need to change the shape of the variables, and these are the buttons to select and deselect any of the thing which is showing here. This is the button to select all. You can see that the color of all these variables and items and error term is going into blue, and then by using the move object button you can change the shape. You can you can pick it at here, and then you can again draw your other variable. Click at here, change the shape of the objects just like this. Deselect all. You see that these going from blue to black, and these are deselected. So select one by one, select it. These are going from black to blue, and I am selecting all of them just to reshape it. This remain as black, and then click on it to, if you have a shape like this which is going outer side from the page, you need to click on this button, resize the path diagram, so your variables come within your screen. This is a button you can zoom in and zoom out, and this is a button you can use as a magnifying glass. And if again your items are going outside click on this button and going outside the boundary wall, you can again use this button, and this button will help you to arrange your variables, your items and your error terms within the user interface. So this is a variable, this is an item, and these are the error terms. If you need to draw another item here, you can do it manually as well. Just like click on it, click on this button and draw your item here, and then draw your error term here. Clicking more than one time is actually reshaping and then click on this button and draw the error here. So this is an item I have created, and the error term I have created manually. Deselect all, and then you need to click the relationship, to click on it and to create a relationship among the variables. This is a way you can do and create the variable. This is a variable, these are the items, and these are the error terms. And if you don't need any of the button here, any of the variable or item here, click on this cross button, click, it is removed. Click on it, it is removed. Click on it, it is removed. Then again you can draw these things here. So this is the way you can play in it. This is a button to insert the data file from SPSS to the MOS software. You need to see our next lectures, in which we can tell you that how to use these 4 buttons. This button is used to insert the data file in these variables and in MOS software from the SPSS file, and this button is used at what type of analysis you are required to do in MOS software, and this button is used to perform the estimation, to perform the test which you have applied in this screen. So after clicking this button will be active for you. Currently it is hidden, but after inserting the data and after clicking on this button will be active for you to see the results, and then this button will also be active for you that how to see the results, and you will be able to see the results both at unstandardized estimates and the standardized estimates. So how to use these buttons which are currently not available to us to use, you are requested to please see our next videos, in which we have deliver our complete understanding how to insert the data from SPSS in the MO software, and how to apply the test for CFA and SEM in MO software. So this is all about today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.